And so I would just like to invite you to close your eyes if it's comfortable for you. To breathe in to this space right here and right now. Breathing in and breathing out. We focus our energy, we focus our attention on understanding that presence of love that is within us, on calling forth that presence of love that is within us. And so as we feel that connection to that spirit, that light, that energy of love, we take this first opportunity just to feel the love as it radiates within ourselves, to feel the peace as it radiates within ourselves. Becoming so very aware of that love within our bodies. We take that opportunity right now to know and affirm our oneness. To know and affirm that we are one with this universe, that we are one with one another. To know in this moment that, yes, we have differences in our physical manifestations, but at the very core of who and what we are, that very core of spirit, we are one. And it's in that oneness that we live and we move and we set our being. As the living, loving presence of God, we move now into a time of stillness, a time of silence, a time of simply being the light and the love of spirit that we are as we rest in the silence. Feeling our energy and our attention come back to this space. We know and affirm that we are one, we are light, we are love. And we allow that presence of love to guide and direct our experience this day. And it is for that experience and the guidance that we receive that we are grateful. And so we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.